In-Comm Training was founded in 1982. It delivers apprenticeships, training and consultancy predominantly in the engineering manufacturing sector. For many years, vocational learning hasn't necessarily had a pathway through to further and higher education, and that pathway is going to be plugged now by initiatives such as the Institute of Technologies. So bridging that level 4, level 5 piece of delivery between ourselves and universities enables the learner to go right from level 2, engineering shop floor and craft like we see here today, through to a level 6 degree. Enabling them to progress inside of their companies and to achieve their lifelong goals. Engineering manufacturing is an absolutely phenomenal sector to be in. It offers so many opportunities, and especially with electrification coming in now, technology, Industry 4 and the way that's integrating with mechanical machine tools, it's so advanced and so interesting to be in. There's always a need and it's ever evolving, which makes it exciting. The IoT is there to engage businesses to stretch their boundaries on where they are now, and access to the technology, access to the engineers will give them access to skills, yes, but technology, process development, product development, trying out new systems, for instance, before they actually integrate it into their businesses, so you can see and play how that is going to advance your company, and it will.